Okay, so similar to is upper and is lower is this dot is alpha. Now, what does that do? Well, it checks the string to see whether you have only included alphabet characters. So at the moment, I've set this up so that a variable called x is equal to words dot is alpha. And I've got it to print x because I want to see what it returns for me down the bottom. Now, if you look at the comment across the top, you can see that there are some examples of characters that Python doesn't consider alphabet letters because they're not in the alphabet. And that includes things like spaces, exclamation marks, any numbers, and so on. So if I was to run this, it says false and it says yes. Okay, why? Because I have a space just here. Why am I getting yes? Well, because it's still checking if it's all lowercase. So that is indeed still true. So if I was to change this to is alpha and run it again, it says no, it's not true. Why? Well, because we've got a space. Let's take the space out, run it again. Okay, now it's fine. Now, can I use underscores? Let's run that and see. No, doesn't like underscores. What about hyphens? Nope, doesn't like hyphens. So it doesn't like anything that isn't an alphabet character. Let's put a couple of numbers in there. How does it deal with that? Nope, still false. Doesn't like numbers. So only when we have all alphabet characters, no numbers, no spaces, no special characters, does it then say that that's true and that is alpha is yes. So how could this be useful for us? Well, if you're doing some kind of password generator, for example, you could do the opposite here. You could say, if it's true, well, then it's just too simple as a password. You want that to have some special characters and maybe some numbers and some uppercase and some lowercase for your strong password generator.